Hello viewers, welcome my channel Classic Fashion. Today we have something truly special to discuss. The lady vending pump shoes, the perfect vision of styles and comfort. Camera transitions to the host holding the lady vending pump shoes. These pumps have become my absolute go-to for any occasion and I can't wait to share. Well, let's dive right in. Camera focus on the shoes as the host begins to describe them. Host first, let's talk about the design. These shoes are a work of art. They come in a variety of colors and finish to suit every taste and outfit. The pair I am holding is in a timeless black patent leather, which adds a touch of sophistication to any sample. The camera pans to show the shoes from different angles, highlighting their sleek and elegant design. House now what set lady vending pumps apart is their attention to detail. The craftsmanship is exponential. The point to is both stylish and elongating, and the low of cut pump adds a head of sand. Close up shots of the shoes highlighting the pointed toe and low cut vamp hose but look and everything. These shoes are built for comfort too. They is insole is generously padded, making them a dream to walk is even for extended periods. Thoughts demonstrate the flexibility of the shoes by bending them slightly. Why what truly amazed me is the arch support. It provides that much needed stability without compromising on style. You can dance the night way without worrying about right feet. Camera show the shoes from the side to emphasize the arch support. Host one more thing I love about this pump is the slip resistant sole, no more slipping and sliding on a smooth surface. These shoes give you confidence with every step. Demonstrate the slip resistant sole by walking on a smooth surface. In terms of sizing, they run true to size for me, but I recommend checking the size chart on their website just to be sure. It's always best to get the perfect fit. To sum up, lady vending pump shoes are the epitome of elegance, comfort, and versatility. Whether you're dressing up for a special event or adding a touch of sophistication to your everyday outfit, these pumps have got you covered. Hold the shoes up the camera on one last time. Let's today review with interest in this lady vending pump shoes. If left a thing in a description below, don't forget to like this. One aspect that I truly appreciate in their versatility, this pump is seamlessly transition from day to night. Whether you are heading to the office, going out with friends, or attending a formal event, these shoes complement a wide range of outfits. Camera display quick shots of the shoes paired with different outfits for various occasions. The lady vending brand prides itself on using high quality material and you can feel it when you wear their these pumps. The leather is supple and the stitching is impeccable, ensuring they will remain a stylish companion for years to come. Now let's talk about the heel height. It's just perfect at around 2.5 inch 6 cm. It provides a bit of elevation while remaining comfortable enough for all day wear. You can confidently conquer the world without sacrificing your feet. Demonstrate the heel height by standing and walking comfortably. Cleaning and maintenance are a breeze with these pumps. A damp cloth and a bit of leather conditioner keep them looking as good as new. Plus the pattern leather finish resists scuffs and scratch. Display the cleaning process perfectly. One more thing I have to mention is the packaging when you receive your lady vending pump shoes. It's an experience in itself. They come in a beautiful box with a dust bag, making them a perfect gift option too. Lastly, I'd like to touch on the brand's commitment to sustainability. Lady Vending strive to reduce its environmental footprint using eco-friendly materials and sustainable practice. Wherever possible, it's great to see a brand that cares about your planet. Hold up a small tag or emblem indicating the brand's sustainability efforts. Inclusions. Lady Vending Pump shoes are more than just footwear. They are a statement that embody elegance, comfort, and versatility, making them a must-have addition by to any fashion conclusion individual collection. Now the comfort factor doesn't end with the padded insole. Lady Vending has engineered this pump with a carefully designed arch that provides excellent support, relieving pressure from your feet and helping you maintain your posture throughout the day. Holes demonstrate the heat support by flashing the shoes. What I particularly appreciate about this pump is their durability. The outsole is made from high quality rubber, ensuring a strong grip on various surfaces and making these shoes an investment that pay off in the long run. For those who like bit of variety, Lady Vending often release limited edition collections so you can find unique designs that aren't available everywhere. It is a fantastic way to express your individual style. Display a few limited edition Lady Vending pump shoes. Speaking for style, this pump pair effortlessly with various clothing styles from classic business attire to casual jeans or even a chic evening gown. These shoes elevate your look effortlessly. Display different outfit combination using the pumps. For those one concerned about comfort on hot summer days, Lady Vending offers breathable version of this pump, ensuring